Great evening to you all out there. Good to have you back on the screens. I'm so excited to be with you here this evening once again. Welcome to Nessy's Healthy Cooking with Saladmaster. My name is Nessy and welcome once again to our TBL kitchen. Before we get started to cook, I just want to draw your attention to something. Have you ever wondered why when you're sick, you go to the doctor to see, to get treatment? However, when you have a special kind of sickness, you go and see a specialist. For instance, if you have a cardiovascular disease, you go and see a cardiologist. If you have any form of cancer, you go and see an oncologist. Do you know that to be able to retain the maximum amount of nutrition in your food, there's a specialist cooking equipment that has been designed to help you achieve that? This evening, if you are new to the show, I would want to introduce you to the Saladmaster Specialist Healthy Cooking, designed to retain as much as 93% of the food nutrition you cook in it every single time. This evening, I am here to help you or show you how you can prepare a very, very controversial food. People say Nigerians are the best at it. People say Ghanaians. People are, claiming it all over. But today, I just want to show you a simple, however, very interesting way of cooking our jollof rice. Let's get started. To help us prepare this special Saladmaster jollof, as you always know, I'm a fan of using basic ingredients in the kitchen. So what do I have here? I have here all of my vegetables blended together. So in here you find some fresh tomatoes, some pepper, some spring onions, regular onions, ginger, garlic, and beetroot. Like I always say, I would like to replace the tomato puree or tomato paste with more natural stuff like beetroot. So beetroot is represented in our jollof today. Obviously, without rice, we can't have the jollof. So I have my white rice here and of course, coconut milk as well. I love my coconut milk. And I have here my marinated chicken. So without further ado, let's get started. To help us prepare the jollof today, I'd like to introduce you to one of our sensational pieces in the Saladmaster collection. You wanna know what that is? The bad boy. You heard me, the bad boy. Oh, that bad boy is so amazing to use. If you don't have the bad boy in your kitchen, you're missing out. Let's see what the bad boy is all about. So here, it's what we call the electric skillet, aka the bad boy. Why is it called the bad boy? Because it can do everything you can think of. It can bake, it can grill, it can stew, it can pizza, lasagna, you name it. The bad boy is your go-to piece to do all of these things. So I'm preheating the bad boy so that I can just get started right away. The first thing I will go into our bad boy, my bad boy, is the marinated chicken. So I'm just gonna drop it in. If you hear a sizzling sound, just know that it's already been preheated. Can you hear that? Yes, it's already been preheated. And as you can see, there's no oil in here. Oh, did I say, we are actually preparing jollof rice without a single drop of oil. Yes. And I know it's only Saladmaster that can help us achieve that result. So what I want to do here with the chicken is just saute it a little bit, just turning it in here and all that. And then every other ingredient will go in. So basically, I'm just gonna crack it open. Let's give it about 5 minutes to get it a bit fried, and then we'll come back to continue with the cooking. See ya. So if today's your first time joining Nessy on Nessy's Healthy Cooking with Saladmaster, I guess you're wondering what this piece of beauty here is. Well, let me let you in on a little bit of a secret. We always say that your kitchen is not complete. Why? Because you don't have this amazing food processor in your kitchen. Why is it not complete? Well, first of all, this food processor has been designed to cut your cooking time in half. Yes. So if something's going to take you about 30 minutes with Saladmaster and the food processor, in 15 minutes you are done. Voila! How does that sound? Oh, and do you know that it's absolutely free? Oh yeah, today I'm singing it out for you. It's free. How do you get it, you asking? Just pick the number scrolling down on the screen today. Don't wait any longer, and I'm gonna let you in on how you can earn this piece of beauty in your kitchen for free. How does that sound? Give us a call. Yes. Oh, let's have a look at the chicken. Now, if you're first time, can you see all the oils in there? Notice we didn't add oil from the beginning. The chicken already has enough fat in there. So when you're frying chicken or any kind of meat, you do not need the added fats and oil. And the Saladmaster Specialist Cooking System is the only system that can help you achieve the results of frying without a single drop of oil. So I think this is good enough. I'm just gonna pour the others in there. So the chicken has sizzled enough. It's time to add the blended ingredients. So let's get to it. Oh, I just love that sizzling sound. Oh. So this is it. Nice. It smells divine in here. Oh, this is gonna be good. I'll just leave it to cook a little bit, and then I add my coconut milk. Just a few minutes, the coconut milk will come inside. Now let's check on how things are going in our bad boy. Okay. Ooh. Oh wow. Can you perceive the virtual aroma? Ooh. I think it's time to add our coconut milk. Okay, so it's going to be on for 5 minutes, and we add the rice, and then our jollof will come together. Okay, let me close it once again. Remember, once we open it or leave it open, oxidation begins to take place and we begin to lose vital nutrition. So there we go. At this point, I'm just going to add my garlic pepper seasoning. This is all natural spice in there, black pepper, some chili, and all that. So I'm just going to put some in my stew or sauce, however you want to refer to it as. Ooh, look at all the steam. Okay, a bit of this one too. So whatever you want to put in is up to you, but I highly recommend natural spices or the herbs. You know, no more artificial seasoning in here. Natural spice is the best way to go if you want to live a healthy lifestyle. I'm going to wash my rice and then I'm going to pour it in. That's it. Literally, you're almost done. It's time for the rice to go into the sauce. Okay. People are always asking, is it good to wash rice? Should we put it in directly? I don't know. The safest bet, the way I go with, I just wash it, because I believe rice is grown from the ground, so hey, probably we may have some dirt in there, so I wash it just to be careful. But if you think pouring it directly is how you want to go about it, that's not wrong either. Okay, so the rice is in, and then at this point I'm going to add a bit of salt. So once again, to your taste, then that's it. So we're not going to add any water to this jollof here. It's just the sauce that's going to cook it for us. So when you realize your sauce is a bit much than your rice, I think that's what's happening here. Just add a bit more rice in there, and then you get desired results. Let me just do that. Okay. All right. It's time to check the jollof. I think it's almost done. Just come on, come and see. Ooh. Ah, look at that. Ooh, looks good. Smells amazing. Saladmaster, we are definitely changing lives. Now, what do you think about this method? It's so simple, precise, and we did not have to use a single drop of oil in here. This is going to help you reduce your oil intake. This will help you control oil-related complications like hypertension, high cholesterol, and all that. Saladmaster is actually a must-have in your kitchen because it's designed to retain vital nutrients in the foods you're cooking it every single day. Once again, don't forget to give us a call. Just check your screens. The numbers are scrolling there. Give us a call and let's see how we can get this to your home as soon as possible. Almost done. We're going to cover it for a bit, let the heat do its thing, and then we'll come and do the final reveal. Look at that. The food is ready. How does it look? It's so colorful. It's so delicious. I know it's definitely tasty. Why don't you just try this at home? It's very simple, very precise, easy to do. And of course, with the Saladmaster healthy cooking system, it's even a plus for you. Now, time and health are the two precious assets that we normally don't appreciate until we lose it. Today, I would want you to make that decision. Give us a call and let us introduce Saladmaster to your family. Thank you so much for joining us today once again and also helping us in the movement back to healthy home cooking. Good evening. My name is Nessy. See you next week. Ta-ta.